I'm telling you now. This is the moment. There is stuff in this computer in what's called a Copilot Plus PC. There is a chip, a physical, real, you can look at it chip, an NPU, a neural processing unit. I can explain to my mom what a CPU is. I can explain to my mom what a GPU is. I kind of can, right? I can't explain what an NPU is or how it works. That's why I call it wizardry, which means that it can do AI stuff built in. And by AI stuff, I don't just mean built in like chatbots, because it does have that. Every Windows 11 device can do this. Can you please create a 5-option poll about favorite winter destinations? Absolutely. Here's an Instagram-friendly photo. Boo. And now, boom, I got the emojis. Like, okay, this is cool. We know that ChatGPT, the AI bots can do this. I just want you to know that this is built in, this kind of experience. No matter what website you're on, the Copilot app actually has a vision button. What do you think of these sneakers?
They're pretty sleek with that classic Burberry check, giving them a touch of luxury. I could definitely make a statement.
Okay, but hey. What are some similar like sneakers I could get that maybe from other brands that maybe don't break the bank?
You might like the Adidas Stan Smith or Converse Chuck 70.
Think about the kind of content you can create over having a genuine co-pilot navigating the web with you. I did this earlier with Instagram. You going down the feed, being like, hey, who's this creator? What other stuff? Go through LinkedIn, being like, I want to message this senior director of so-and-so, but what, based on like their profile, how should I even approach this works for that. What if I were to tell you that these Copilot Plus PCs had a photographic memory? It's called recall. It needs an NPU. It needs to think like a human brain. I'm gonna hit recall right now, and it's gonna say, you better be who you say you are, because I'm about to enter in a time machine on my computer. If you've seen it on your computer, it's now a memory. Welcome to Recall. Look at this timeline at the top. I can go back in history to when I was looking at that Instagram post. Question, how many times or has it happened to you when you desperately need something from a post that you saw last month and it has now vanished into the ether? I need a picture of that soccer match or of that shoe or of that makeup, like that kit I need, it's gone. You don't even remember where you saw it. How do you even search for it? I know it was a red pepper. I don't know where I saw it, but I know it was a red pepper. Oh, here's a visual match. Did you mean this photo you looked at once? Yes! The photo name is not redpepper.jpg. There's nothing here that says red pepper. It knows this is probably a red pepper. No more red pepper. I remember it was a Caesar's Palace. So I remember that's where I was when I took oh, that's right. Text match. It was a J-Lo post. Caesar's Palace is in the background of the image. You can say wow again. I need this image. I need it. This is called Click to Do. It's built into Recall. It's built into these devices. Check this out. I click on this memory. This could be long gone, but it's a memory. Look, Click to Do is figured out. That's a picture, isn't it? Open it right here in Photos app on my computer. And now it's my own photo. I can edit it. I can do whatever I want to it. I can zoom in on it. I took it from my memory and made it a new file. You see Copilot popping up here inside of Outlook. Here is a big, long, scary email chain. Okay, it's doing great with brand awareness, counts for presence, and they reply with, "Oh, we're still doing well." Oh wait, okay. Okay, so what's going on in here? Check this out. One click. Let's just see a summary by Copilot inside of Outlook. Here's what happened. Brian proposed using Kellen's OneNote skills for this. ML supported the idea and suggested interactive elements. Brian then agreed to, okay, that's the top 3 things I got to know about what this whole lengthy chain is all about. Now I can reply.
So someone who's new to looking at contracts, the first thing I would ask Copilot is, what are the red flags here? Like, what should I be aware of? If you don't even know what you should be aware of, ask Copilot and it'll highlight the red flags for you. Inside
of Copilot app, you can actually upload an entire document. Here's my contract. Overall, it looks pretty cool. So you can have a full-blown conversation. Awesome. It's like having a legal consultant at your side. This is a Recall settings. In fact, you can turn the whole feature off. But what you're asking for right here, websites to filter. In fact, filter sensitive information like credit cards, social security numbers, well, passwords. Click, that's on. If I want to say, every time I'm at chase.com, don't record any of it. There, done. In fact, every time I'm in Excel, period, so you can customize it to your heart's content. What is OneNote?
Yes.
And how should we be using it? Because trust me, we all should be.
OneNote is my favorite Microsoft tool. So you can create little notebooks, and within each notebook, you have your own page and sub-pages. And so for this example is like a creator's OneNote. You could have, for example, your to-do list, and then you have a different page where you break out all of your content ideas, which again, Copilot's up there on the top right. You can prompt Copilot at any point to help you brainstorm ideas, maybe help you create a content calendar in here. You can again write scripts. You can also put your analytics in here. There's really an endless amount of data you can put into OneNote. And again, Copilot is within, it's in OneNote, so it can also read all of this data and help you interpret the OneNote.
It's a 3-ring binder.
Yes.
That you can make new binder, and now you have a consultant built into it as well.
Does Copilot have the capability to pull data from a link that you send?
Yes. Start thinking this way. This is how Copilot being built into the device changes your entire workflow. PowerPoint. The client wants a quick presentation about your idea, about your pitch. Check this out. Because you have Copilot, create a presentation about. Quickly, someone, what's the presentation about? A collab between an IG channel called Jenny's Makeup Hacks, and the focus is on affordable makeup solutions. Click. Watch this. Introduction, affordable. So I can add this as of right now. I am the pilot, right? As of right now, I can add sections. I can move these sections around. No, I want this down here. No, I want this down here. I don't even want this section. Who cares? Ready? Generate slides. Okay, look, here we go. Cost effective, DIY makeup hacks, inexpensive glosses and liners, keeping your lips vibrant on a budget. Keeping your lips vibrant on a budget. Come on now. I just made a PowerPoint that keep your lips vibrant in 5 seconds.